Knowing the most about your customers can be the difference between winning or losing deals in sales. However, doing the necessary research can be time consuming and may even possibly distract you from doing the actual sales that keep your company running. For that, Pipedrive is happy to present Smart Contact Data, my friends. Using Smart Contact Data, you no longer need to manually search Google for important and helpful information about your leads. To take advantage of this not-so-secret weapon, your admin user will need to head over to the Features menu and enable this feature. Once enabled, opening any detail view of a deal, person, or organization in your Pipedrive account will also display a Smart Contact Data info section. It's important to note that you'll need at least an email address related to a contact person to make this feature work, and you'll need that email address to be marked as a work-type email, because Smart Contact Data finds publicly available information associated with the customer's email address or email domain and drops it right at your fingertips. Pipedrive will organize the recovered information into the individual's information as well as the company's information. Once Pipedrive has searched the far reaches of the internet for data, it will be displayed in the Smart Contact Data section. Now you can refresh this data at any time, or mark an additional email address as a work-type email if you want to search multiple domains. Just keep in mind that Pipedrive can only check one work-labeled email at a time. If you have two emails labeled as a work type, Pipedrive will default to the very first one. Now, this is an opt-in feature, and Pipedrive will in no way automatically store or use the data beyond what's necessary for performance purposes. And that's Smart Contact Data, my friends. This gives you an edge when communicating with your contacts, and most importantly, gives you more time to focus on closing that deal.